good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Versailles, Alabang, AGC Lifestyle. So, bibisitahin natin yung kaibigan natin na nag-organize nitong car meet na to, si Coach Carlo Castro, di ba? Cars Plus Coffee. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa event nila. It will be happening today, Sabado, February 8 hanggang bukas 9.
Hi guys, my name is Mark Angelo Loyola. I'm from Tagaytay and thank you so much for inviting us here in the AGC Versailles. Thank you Tito Carlo, Carson Coffee Sound, and this is my Camry po.
Iyon! Ay! Ang pinakamagandang Camry. Yeah, anyway. From Tagaytay. Camry Elite.
Camry Elite, shoutout po Camry Elite kay Tito Mike Rivera.
Hi, my name is Jonaris. I'm the Junior Account Manager for NCR for BG Products. And the BG products are preventive maintenance chemicals that we use for engines, brakes, and transmissions. BG is distributed by Power Stroke Motor Products in the Philippines for 14 years. Facebook page is BG Products PH.
Thank you, Photon Bacoor, sa pagpunta po nyo dito sa AGC Lifestyle at Daang Hari. Alam nyo, eye-catching po itong pickup truck ng Photon. Talagang wow, napawaw ako dito sa setup niya, saka sa itsura. Hindi ko lang nabuksan kasi nakalock yung loob. So siguro sa mga susunod baka makita natin yung loob at ma-review natin ng buong buo itong Photon Thunder. Napakaganda, tignan nyo naman. So nakita ko yung bed, napakahaba niya, diba? Tapos 4x4. Thank you Photon. Ito pa ang isa sa pickup truck, Tunland V9 ng Photon. So, hindi lang ako talaga nagkaroon ng chance para makita yung makina, makita yung interior. Pero actually, nasilip ko naman siya. Pero tingnan nyo naman, diba? At isa pa, wala lang akong natanong. Siguro nag-iikot din yung naka-station dito regarding sa price. Pero siguro bibisitahin na lang natin ang alam ko, this is Photon Cavite. Ito lahat tayong nandun sa merong GMA, sa merong Governor's Drive. 4x4. So, pag tinignan mo parang, ano ba to? Pwede ko ba sabihin? Baka makapiright tayo. Parang, alam mo na, may kamuka. Tapos yan, comment nga kayo. Pero siguro aalamin natin kung ano yan. Step ladder yan para mas madali siguro umakyat. Saka yung bed, napakahaba niya. Diba? And then, nakita nyo naman yung gilid. Wow, it's a 4x4. Yung mugs niya, siguro this is the stock.
Hi, my name is Arnel Bernil, sales representative ng Promax Trading Corporation. We are the importer of Yuasa Battery. Facebook page namin ay Yuasa Battery Philippines. Kami rin po ang nag-import ng Hella product, Hella wiper blades, Hella spark plug at Hella horn. Ang office ng Promax Trading Corporation ay located sa 2242B FB Harrison Street, Pasay City. Promax Trading Corporation contact number 8556-7157.
I will invite you tomorrow for our event, Toyota Camry Elite, here at AGC Lifestyle Center. Thank you. See you.
Sir, anong mags yan? Work. Wow! Ang ganda. Thank you, sir. 20 inch?
Yes, sir.
Wow! Sir, ano yung mags mo?
PBS, sir.
Yon, size 20. Nice. Thank you, sir. Sir, lowering spring, coil over.
Naka-air po.
Wow! Sample. Baba natin. Yup. Yun, oh. Yes. Thank you.
Hello po, this is Andre Lanzuela from Broke Boys Club, founder of the group po. I would like to thank Cars and Coffee for inviting us to be a co-presenter of this event, and thank you then for AGC Versalles for letting us host in this very pretty event nga po, yung pretty sobrang gandang events place. And thank you din po kay Sir Carlo, siya lahat ng rason bakit nagkatotoo lahat.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. Pasuporta naman po ng aking YouTube channel, Psycho Patrick. Sa Facebook naman, Psycho Patrick TV. Bye!